Hello traders, this is Mike. It's October the 8th. It's Thursday. It's around 6:25 p.m. here in Cincinnati. Let's take a look at the recap on how we did on Easy Trader today. For you early birders, let's take a look and see how we did here. Not a bad day, I don't think. And here you go. Here's our first one right here at 337. Gave us a little heartburn there, but we came right back and made the whole Megillah. Here's one here that fired and at 427, and we had a loser there. Here's one here that fired at 451, came right back and got it all back. Okay. Here's one here that fired here at 522, and we got our 8 ticks out of that. Here's one here that fired at 601, and we got a whole bunch, and that really made goal right there. Here's one here that fired that was a loser at 643. This was a loser long right here at 715, and another loser right here at 735. Not too cool. And here's one here that fired here that 814, a big winner. And we came right back here, and this one we couldn't take. It was in the no trade zone between 9 and 9:30, so we didn't get that winner. And we came back here at 9:34 and got 4 ticks out of that one. You can see it moved right up to the point of control and fired right off of that. That's what that green dotted line is. Came here and we had a winner here at 9:37. Here's one here that fired at 9:45. That gave us a little heartburn. We only got 4 ticks out of that one. Here's one here that fired at 9:56, and we got 8 ticks out of that one. Here's one here that fired at 10:15, and we got 8 ticks out of that one. Here's one here that fired at 10:39. We got 4 ticks out of that one. By the way, you're already a goal on pre-market and day session. So you shouldn't be trading, but I'm going to share the rest of the trades anyway, because I know you guys like to see them. Here was a loser. Here was a big winner here at 11:02. Here's a big winner here at 11:21. Look at that, just unbelievable. This is into the no trade zone between 12 and 2:30. I'm going to scroll forward. Again, you can see some of these trades here that happen between that period, but I don't trade those generally, although there's some nice winners. Let's scroll over to 2:30 mark, and we're at 2:30 now. And this one here was right at 2:30, as you can see. Big winner right at 2:30 Eastern time. Here's a big winner right here at 14:58, right before 3 o'clock, right before the bond boys go home. And here's a short right fired here at 15:38. Pretty much done for the day. As you guys can see what happened. Pretty good day for easy. It always is, of course. And but you know, the name of the game is don't try to trade every little wiggle and swiggle that you see in the market. Try to, if you're going to trade pre-market, start around 3:30, 4 o'clock in the morning Eastern time, AM. And if you're going to trade, and then don't trade the 9:30 zone. Trade to around 11:30 or so, and then don't trade. I don't trade in the afternoon, but if you do, make sure it's after 2:30. It's pretty simple. The easy trader just continually just grinds it out. So you guys have a great evening, and I'll see you all tomorrow.